Hey friends, so if you're facing very hard time, I want you to go to this website. As you can see, this person received $130 right now. The other person received $20 right now. You can see all of these are receiving money every single second on this platform. And today I'm going to show you more than 6 websites that are really going to give you free money. Out of this, right after joining on this platform and start asking for financial help. So let's see. Welcome to the channel. My name is Hans David and I've been posting too many videos on this channel, like how to get money online, how to get donation online. But today's video is a way different because I'm going to show you this website that are really going to help you. And I am saying this because only a few months ago I was facing very hard time, and the only thing that I could do is for me to go ahead and start asking people for money, like, can you really help me this kind of money and all that. But no one really helped me. So the only thing that I did was to go ahead and start looking out for this website and platforms that can really help me to start my business, and I was just finding money to survive. So I came across this website, and these websites are really trusted websites. That's the reason I'm so confidently saying that this website are really going to help you if you're facing hard time. This video is really going to be helpful for you and your family. So right now, let's see all these websites that are going to help us to solve our financial difficulties. So let's start with website number 1. Alright, so our very first website is not a well-known website, is not a famous website, but this website is available in more than 80 countries in the world. And the very good thing about this website, if you're not facing hard time, like you really don't have money to pay for rent, you don't have money for medical bills, you don't have money to pay for school fees and all that, this website is just for you. So the reason that I really like about this website is that it's really easy to get donation from different people around the world. And right now I'm just going to show you this girl right here. As you can see here, this girl joined on this website on July 3rd, yesterday, and within few hours she raised more than $200 on this website. So if you are going to this website and ask for help, a lot of people are going to donate money for you in a very short time. That's the reason I really encourage for you to go ahead and join on this website and ask for financial help, because not a lot of people know about this website. That's the reason it's way easier to get donation from rich people and kind people available on the website. And now I'm going to show you this another example from this amazing family. Within only a few hours of joining on this platform, they raised $120 from this website. This website is called GiveSendGo, GiveSendGo.com. You have to go on this website, join on this website, write your story, and people are going to donate money for you. It's very amazing website. So right now, let's go to another website. Alright, so our next website is called FundRazr, and if you want to raise money for yourself, if you want to raise money for your family or community, well, this website can be very good for you. And what you want to do right now, you have to go to this website, which is called FundRazr.com. Then you have to click this place, which is written as personal fundraising, as you can see right here. Then you have to join on this platform. You only have to explain like what you need this money for and how much you really want. You can see that a lot of people on this platform, they are raising up to $5,000, up to $10,000 on the platform. So if you're really in need of financial help, you just have to go to this website because it's among of the trusted website. And I'm pretty sure that if you go to this website and explain like how much you really want and for what reasons, and if you really have these genuine reasons, many people are really going to donate money for you. So I really want to say that you really have to go ahead, do not wait, go ahead and join on this website. This website is mostly based on USA and Europe, so you really have to go ahead and try on this website. Alright, so if you have any family member with a disability, it can be yourself, it can be any family member or any friend that you know with a disability or who is very sick, you want to go to this website because this website is going to connect you with other people who are really going to donate money for you. So it's really important if you are feeling sick and you really don't have anywhere to get help, you may want to go to this website because this website is very trusted. This website is called JustGiving, and as you can see here, people are raising up to $60,000 for their cause. So you really have to go ahead and join on this website. You may not be sick. If you have any problem, like you don't have money to pay for your rent, you don't have money to to pay for medical bills, you don't have money to do a lot of stuff that are necessary, you may want to go ahead and join on this website, explain your story, the reason that you really need this money for, and I'm pretty sure that this website is going to connect you with these donors that are going to donate money for you in a very short time. So I encourage that you have to go ahead and try this website, which is JustGiving, and this website is available in too many countries. So let's go ahead and see the next platform. All right, so the next website is very interesting. If you have any project that is really hard for you to bring this project that you have in your mind, to bring this project to life, well, this website that I'm going to show you right now is very good for you, because there are a lot of people who are raising money for their project and they're getting a good amount of money on this platform. Right now, let me show you this person from Uganda, and she has raised over $4,000 to help students in Uganda, Africa. So you can see, if you have any project and you really want to bring this project to life, do not hesitate. You want to go to this website, which is called StartSomeGood.com, and ask for help. You have to come with this amazing story that is really going to take people's attention to read and feel the need to donate money for you. I'm pretty sure that if your idea and your project is going to bring value to different people around the world, a lot of people can feel the need to help you a decent amount of money. So if you have any project, or if you have an idea, you may want to go ahead and ask for financial help on this platform, and you can see a lot of people are going to donate money for you. So this one is a very trusted website. It's called StartSomeGood, and the very good thing about this platform is that it's available nearly all over the world. You can see this person from Uganda and was able to raise it for more than $4,000 within the platform. So you may want to go ahead and see how much you're really going to make on this platform. You know, I've been receiving a lot of messages from different people from Asia. They've been asking for the best website to get donation, and you know, there are a lot of websites that are not supported in India and other Asian countries. But for today, I came with this very amazing website, which is called Ketto. I've seen on this website there are a lot of people who are raising up to $20,000 just on this platform. So you can see, if you're feeling stuck right now, you don't have money to pay for medical bills, for school fees, you're sick, or you need to pay rent but you don't have money to pay for your rent, you may want to go ahead and join on this website, which is called Ketto. And Ketto is most based in Asian countries. So you may want to go ahead and see how much you're gonna receive from this website, because there are a lot of people who are receiving good amount on this platform, and I encourage that you may want to go ahead and try out and see how much you're going to make for yourself. So right now we are going to our last website, which is called GoFundMe. So if you're now facing any financial difficulty, it can be you don't have money to pay for your education, you don't have money to pay for medical bills and all that, all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website, which is called GoFundMe. I'm pretty sure that a lot of people know about this website, and you have to join on this website. The reason that not a lot of people are receiving money from this platform is that, you know, they don't come with this amazing story that can move these donors to go ahead and donate money for you. So before go ahead and join on this website, you need to understand that you must have this story, you must have this reason that can make people to donate money for you. So it's very important to break down what you really need in a very good way, in a very emotional way that can make a lot of people be interested to donate money for you. So the only thing that I want to say in this video is that, you know, the reason that many people are not receiving free money through this website, they are not well prepared to do the work. You know, it's a free money that you're going to receive on this website. A lot of people may be ready to donate money for you, but you must have effort to share and ask for help. You know, it's very important to understand that you may not get this money if you're not going to share your story to different platforms, to different social media. So you may want to join on this platform, but you need to understand that you must share your story to different platforms so people can see your story and feel the need to donate money for you. This is the reason I've been doing different videos on how to get donation, on how to make sure that people are going to donate money for you. So you must share your stories to different platforms. It can be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and after that people can see your story and be interested to donate money for you. Alright, so the last thing that I want to do right now is that I want to pray to God for anyone who is facing hard time right now. Dear Lord, please help them, please bring them mercy, bring them joy, bring them happiness, and open their doors. Answer their prayers, dear Lord. Please make it easy for them. Thank you, Lord. I really hope that you understand their problems, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to do a miracle for them. Thank you, Lord. We love you. Thank you so much. Alright guys, so it was very good having good time with you, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to try out this website. And since I already prayed for you, I'm pretty sure that this is really going to be good for you. This is really I'm pretty sure that these websites are really going to help you. And as I said before, you have to keep trying on this website, keep trying on this website, maybe for more than 3 months or 2 months. Who knows, you can see the miracle that I prayed for you. So thanks so much, and I really hope to see you next time in my next video. Thank you so much.